Here's some Fallingwater Design Trivia. Subscribe. Who designed Fallingwater? Is it A. Richard Meyer, B. Frank Lloyd Wright, C. Louis Kahn, or D. Zaha Hadid? The correct answer is B. Frank Lloyd Wright. What type of building is Fallingwater? Is it A. house, B. museum, C. school, or D. office? The correct answer is A. house. What river is near Fallingwater? Is it A. Choptank River, B. Bear Run, C. Nanticoke River, or D. Libby Creek? The correct answer is B. Bear Run. Which landscape did Wright aim to integrate? Is it A. natural environment, B. coastal cities, C. desert landscape, or D. urban skyline? The correct answer is A. natural environment. What concept does Fallingwater exemplify? Is it A. urban isolation, B. historical preservation, C. unity with nature, or D. harmony with technology? The correct answer is C. unity with nature. What kind of waterfall is adjacent to Fallingwater? Is it A. brook, B. stream, C. cascade, or D. rapids? The correct answer is C. cascade. Which foundation now owns Fallingwater? Is it A. Pittsburgh Historical Society, B. National Trust, C. Western Pennsylvania Conservancy, or D. Green Building Council? The correct answer is C. Western Pennsylvania Conservancy. In what architectural style did Wright primarily work? Is it A. Gothic, or B. Art Deco, C. Prairie style, or D. neoclassical? The correct answer is C. Prairie style. What kind of furniture did Wright design for the house? Is it A. bookcases, B. built-in furniture, C. freestanding chairs, or D. coffee tables? The correct answer is B. built-in furniture. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.